Hey loves, welcome to my channel. It's your girl dedreauvitricia here, the one and only. Here today with a glueless wig install video. If you want to keep your baby secured on your head without the glue, keep on watching. So my model here today is my mom, and first we're starting by cleaning the scalp with some alcohol around her hairline to make sure that those edges are intact and secured so they don't break or anything. She already has a light hairline and we don't want to make it any lighter. I'm taking the comb and I am making sure I get the product in and the hair back as straight and as flat as possible. And I don't stop until the product has all worked into the hair and the edges are straight back. I am by no means any hairdresser. I love hair and I love beauty, and if I can make my mommy look prettier, I'm gonna do it. So yeah. See, I've gone back in with more product just to make sure that those babies are right back flat as possible. I'm also drying the hair while I do it. I'm drying the hair right as I push back the edges. And I'll go ahead to put on her stocking cap over her head. It doesn't have to be a pretty one. It doesn't have to be a brown one. It doesn't have to match your skin tone. It doesn't have to be a ball head method. As long as the lace is intact and the lace is bleached, those knots are bleached and the foundation's on that lace, baby, you can't see anything that's under there. I'm telling you from experience. Okay, so now I'm spraying the Got To Be Good spray around her hairline. I sprayed her hairline with the Got To Be Good spray and I am putting it all around her hairline. All around that hairline. And I'm drying it as I do it. So it's drying as I do. Checking it to see if it's still tacky. Some more spray. So spray, baby, because you need to make sure that baby is secured, honey. You have to make sure that baby is secured. Okay, so now I am placing the wig on her head, placing it, trying to secure it, get it in position before pulling it down into place. Yeah. So I'm feeling the edges to make sure it's still tacky, and I am gonna yank that baby down. Yank it down. Yep. Put that pressure there. Gonna ask her to put her pressure there. So she holds there, and I'm gonna try to position the wig on the rest of her head. Yes, honey. Bear in mind I'm using only Got To Be Good product. So Got To Be Good spray and Got To Be Good spray king glue. So that's all I'm using on this hair. And I'll be using some setting spray and water in it to spray the hair so the curl pattern will show up. Yeah. This lady hated this wig by the way. She hated it. And just stay tuned for the ending result. Then you're gonna see how beautiful the ending result will be. Side note, I'm not a hairdresser. I just like to make things look pretty and making them look